Hey Stampers, Gaynor again. Let me just get comfy. Oh, I'm coming back with another alternative card kit, but I've realised this one is the one with the little boxes. So there's the stamp set. I've got those ready for the giveaway. Just got the gems, which we'll use, and that, and this, and use one of those as well. I'm thinking let's use one of the boxes. If we don't press that, that's better. Right, if we don't press down and score this, then I'm sure we can turn this into let me just chop that end off first. 3 7/8. Get rid of those bits. Right, let me see how wide that is now. That is 4 1/4 by 3 7/8. I have a top folding note card which will fold in half. They're quite thick. I'm using extra thick whisper whites for these. So let's see. I'm going to put it down the bottom actually. Yes. Because my score line is there, but I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in the centre. No, I'm going to put it at the top. I've changed my mind again. Put it at the top. My sentiment can go down there. Pop on dimensionals. That's better. Love it. Got my little tin there. Let's just have that at the bottom there. I'm going for the gorgeous kangaroo, who I'm going to glue down on the top. So sweet. Just pop that there. I'm going to use one of those. I might have the crocodile as well actually. No, I'm not putting the crocodile down there. I've changed my mind. I am going to have one of these. And I'm going to pop that on dimensionals after I put it's your day. Let's party. I can't read what that one says. For you, my friend. I'm going to do that one. You're the best. You're simply the best. I'm going to use my dark ink. Stamp it in the centre. wicked. It's turned out lovely. Grab my cloth. Get that off. I love it. I might do some more stamping in a minute actually. So I'm going to use the scissors now. Scissors. You're the best. Looks straight to me. And let's, what are those little jaggly lines there? This has got a cute little design on it. Let's see if we can polished. Is that one? Yeah. I think it is. Have a quick look. They look like tiny little crosses. Yeah, they are. They are tiny little crosses. Trying to keep a straight line. Not doing very good at that. Cute. I'll hold it up in a minute. I'm gonna go. Just gonna keep filling them in. Keep getting pink on the corner. Hence the reason for a stamping spot. So don't know. I'm not going to do any more of that. I'm not fussed on that now. I'm going to make sure that's clicked into place. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I think it's like a lizard, I think. I'll have a look at that one. Oh, it's some sort of fish. No, it's a chameleon. I'm going to stamp it on the inside. How cute that. And I should have used, no I shouldn't, I'm going to leave it like that. And there's a little bird there. One's facing one way, one's facing the other. I can have that one. Have a hard like that. I didn't prime that stamp, that's why it didn't stamp so well. That's it. Rub it on your skin. That way it'll stick. That is too cute. Oh, crumbs. That's better. Wasn't too much of a halo on that one. A little bit, but not much. And thing is, now I'm going to use my blends, or should I tell you what, I'll get the aqua. Oh, I've got some, my pencils. I think I'll have this on. Do his wings. And his beak in this colour. He's a bit halo-y. And then we'll go for a nice green. Cute, that's so sweet. Oh, mind you, I've got the chameleon, he's green as well on the inside. Let's just pop that lid on there. There we go. Oh. Smudge that. Tend to be green, don't they, chameleons? They can be any colour they like. We could go on to put a sentiment on the outside, but where's my little rubbers? Got a little smudge there. That's got it. Perfect. Oh, and we got some. And 5. How cute is that? I'm going to keep them out. They're cute. I like them. Put them in with my other dots and gems. So there's that one. I hope you like that. Why does it always seem dark? And yeah, it's bright as hell for me. When I look at the screen, it looks really, really dark. It'd just be. There we go. There's that beautiful card. I might even just pop in a sentiment for the inside. You're the best. Let's see what we've got. For you, my friend. I'll give that a priming. Use the dark again. Oh, that part's stamped beautifully. Just give that a waft while it dries up. So it's gone from a little card kit for making these boxes, and it's been sat in the sun and the tape has now become less tacky. So that's that one. That's the one we made from the kit, and the dimensional have stopped being so sticky as well. And then that's my card alternative to these little mini boxes. Hey, so yeah, you don't, there you go, pop. I'll pop some glue on that later, on that one. They've been sat on the windowsill and the curtains have been open for the past few days, and once it gets in the heat they tend to be less sticky. But there we go. Come back on the next video. I will do the next alternative card, and yeah, I hope you've had fun. I hope you like it. It's so cute. And use it. It's got a nice little pattern on for where the ends curling as well, but no one, you can't really see it that much. But how cute for you, my friend. So we've got a card and a little gift box just to match. How sweet is that? Stick it. I'll get the glue on that later. So there we go. I hope you like the card. Just a quick one, and what else you can do with the kit. So thanks for watching. Till next time, take care. Bye.